I am getting ready with my soup recipes for the upcoming autumn and winter. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe.
Greetings from Secret of Family Recipes. Welcome back. I am Fami and I have my niece Remaha with me.
Titumuni, I've heard from mom that our grandma used to make a lot of different kinds of snacks and soups. Do you think you can show one of her recipes today?
Oh, Remaha, I can't express you how delightful those snacks recipes were. We used to get two snacks a day, one around 11 o'clock in the morning and around 5 o'clock in the afternoon, which usually the tea times period. And one of these recipes used to be a very clear soup with chicken and cucumber. And I absolutely love that recipe. Have you ever tried that?
I don't think I've had that soup, so that would be something I would want to try making myself.
Okay, let's try the cucumber and chicken soup and see what do you think about it.
To make my cucumber and chicken soup, I will obviously need cucumber. I will slice them. I have taken a roasted chicken drumstick. I have got 1 carrot here. I will slice 1 stick of leek. I will slice. I'm using some shiitake mushroom. You can use any mushroom. I will need chicken stock, 250 ml. I probably will not need the salt. I will need black pepper, fried garlic, and of course a little bit of soy sauce. This is Maggi sauce here. I will also use some noodles. Here I have got the chicken stock boiling and I've put the bones in there, separating the meat out of the bones. I'm adding the sliced carrots here. I'll cook the carrots for 5 minutes. I'm adding the sliced mushrooms now. I will cook the mushrooms for 3 to 4 minutes. After cooking for 3 minutes, I have added the sliced cucumbers and I will cook the cucumbers for another 3 minutes. Then I am now adding the sliced roast chicken, the noodles and the sliced leek, and I will cook it for another 5 minutes. I quite like this aroma of cooked cucumber in chicken stock. It's quite unique. I quite like it. It actually takes me back to my childhood. It's time for me to add some soy sauce. So I'm adding 5-6 drops of soy sauce and I will cook it for 5 minutes. It's been cooking for 5 minutes and I am taking the bone out of the soup. It's time for me to serve this soup and enjoy my lunch. This soup is for 1 person. I am serving it in a soup bowl, garnishing it with some fried garlic, which I bought at a Chinese supermarket. And I'm going to now add some freshly ground black pepper, which will enhance the flavor. Finally, I am going to garnish this soup with some fresh coriander leaves. That adds another elevated level of flavor to this soup. I am going to enjoy my lunch now. I hope you're going to try this soup as well for your lunch. Let's check out the ingredients one more time. We'll need 1 cucumber sliced and deseeded, 2 drumsticks. We will put them in the soup so it gets cooked and stock comes out. 1 liter of chicken stock. You could use 2 chicken cubes with 1 liter of water to make that. 1 carrot sliced, 6-7 mushrooms sliced, some black pepper according to your taste, soy sauce, preferably light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons. And if you don't have leek, you could use 3 shallots. They are thickly sliced. And of course, if it is your lunch, add a little bit of noodles, whatever noodles you have at home.
Did you enjoy my Nana's soup? If you did, please press that like icon.
Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, don't forget to subscribe now. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. Enjoy the soup!